Hello, nice to meet you.
Hello. Nice to meet you too.
My name is Michael. What is your name?
My name is Emily.
It is good to meet you, Emily.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, Michael.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Oh, Canada is nice.
Yes, it is very nice.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am new here.
Welcome. How do you feel?
A little shy, but happy.
That is okay. Take your time.
Thank you.
What do you do?
I am a student.
That is great.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Nice.
It was nice talking to you.
Yes, thank you.
See you again.
See you.
Good morning, Emily.
Good morning, Michael.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
That is good.
How are you?
I am good, thank you.
The morning is nice.
Yes, it is sunny.
I like sunny mornings.
Me too.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I did.
What did you eat?
I ate eggs and bread.
Sounds good.
What about you?
I had tea and toast.
Nice and simple.
Yes.
Have a good day.
You too.
See you later.
See you.
Good evening, Emily.
Good evening, Michael.
How was your day?
It was good.
Are you tired?
A little tired.
That is normal.
Yes.
Did you work today?
Yes, I studied.
Good job.
Thank you.
Did you eat dinner?
Not yet.
What will you eat?
Maybe rice and chicken.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I ate pasta.
Yum.
The evening is calm.
Yes, I like evenings.
Me too.
Thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
Good night later.
Good night. Hi, Emily. How was your weekend?
It was nice.
What did you do?
I stayed at home.
Did you relax?
Yes, I rested a lot.
That is good.
I watched TV.
What did you watch?
A movie.
Was it good?
Yes, it was fun.
Did you go out?
No, I stayed in.
That is okay.
What about you?
I visited my family.
Nice.
We talked and ate together.
Sounds lovely.
It was.
I like weekends.
Me too.
Weekends are relaxing.
Yes.
Thank you for sharing.
You're welcome. Hello, Emily. How was yesterday?
Yesterday was busy.
What did you do?
I went to class.
How was class?
It was good.
Did you learn something new?
Yes, new words.
That is great.
I studied in the evening.
Good habit.
I was tired.
That happens.
I slept early.
That is healthy.
What did you do yesterday?
I worked and read.
Nice.
Reading is good.
Yes, I like reading too.
Yesterday sounds good.
Yes.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for asking.
See you.
See you.
Hi, Emily. What will you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will study.
What will you study?
English.
Very good.
I will practice speaking.
That is great.
Will you work tomorrow?
Yes, I will work.
Will you be busy?
A little busy.
I understand.
Will you go out?
No, I will stay home.
Staying home is fine.
Yes.
Will you rest?
Yes, I will rest too.
Good balance.
Thank you.
Tomorrow will be good.
I hope so.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Hello, this is Michael.
Hello, Michael. This is Emily.
How are you?
I am fine.
I am calling to ask something.
Okay?
Are you free now?
Yes, I am free.
Thank you.
No problem.
Can we meet today?
Yes, we can.
What time is good?
5 is good.
5 is fine.
Where will we meet?
At the cafe.
Okay.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
See you later.
See you.
Bye.
Bye. Hello?
Hello, Emily. This is Michael.
Hi, Michael.
How are you?
I am good.
Are you busy?
Not now.
Good.
What's up?
I want to talk.
Sure.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did.
Thank you for calling back.
No problem.
Are you at home?
Yes, I am.
Good to know.
Is everything okay?
Yes, all good.
Great.
Talk later?
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Emily. This is Michael. I am sorry you were not here. Please call me back. I want to talk about today. It is not urgent. You can call later. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Hi, Michael. This is Emily. I got your message. Thank you for calling. I will call you soon. Talk to you later. Bye.
Hi, Emily. How was your interview?
It was okay.
Were you nervous?
Yes, a little.
That is normal.
The people were nice.
That helps.
They asked simple questions.
Good.
I answered slowly.
That is fine.
I tried my best.
That is important.
Do you think I did well?
Yes, I think so.
Thank you.
Did you smile?
Yes, I smiled.
Very good.
I feel better now.
I am glad.
Thank you for support.
Always.
See you.
See you. Hi, Emily. What are your skills?
I can speak some English.
That is good.
I can use a computer.
Nice skill.
I can write emails.
Very useful.
I am learning more.
That is great.
What are your skills?
I can teach English.
That is helpful.
I like helping people.
I like that.
Skills grow with practice.
Yes, I practice daily.
Keep going.
Thank you.
You are improving.
I feel better now.
Good.
Thanks for listening.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, Michael.
Yes, Emily.
Can you help me?
Of course.
I don't understand this word.
No problem.
Thank you.
Let me explain.
Please.
This word means easy.
Oh, okay.
Do you understand now?
Yes, I do.
Great.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Sorry to bother you.
No bother at all.
That is kind.
Happy to help.
I will ask again if needed.
Anytime.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
No problem at all.
You were very kind.
Thank you.
I learned a lot.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thanks again.
My pleasure.
Have a nice day.
You too.
See you soon.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
I am sorry, Michael.
That's okay.
I was late.
I understand.
Thank you for waiting.
No problem.
I feel bad.
Don't worry.
Are you upset?
No, I'm not.
Thank you for understanding.
Of course.
I will be on time next time.
That's good.
Sorry again.
Apology accepted.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's continue.
Yes, let's go. Hi, Emily. What do you like?
I like coffee.
Me too.
I like music.
What kind of music?
Soft music.
Nice.
I don't like loud noises.
I understand.
I like walking.
Walking is healthy.
I don't like waking up early.
Many people don't.
What do you like?
I like reading.
That's good.
I don't like stress.
Me neither.
We have similar likes.
Yes,
Talking is fun.
I agree.
Great job today, Emily.
Thank you. I feel more confident.
Practice a little every day.
Yes, I will.
Small steps bring big progress.
I believe that.
Keep speaking and smiling.
I will. Thank you.